Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see about the sugarcane harvester. So let us really discuss about the working of sugarcane harvester in the upcoming slides. So these are the contents that we are going to discuss in our PPT. This video, so the introduction part, the need for sugarcane harvester, the components, the construction working, advantage and disadvantages of sugarcane harvester, its applications, and its manufacturing companies. So the sugarcane harvester, as we know, like our paddy harvester, it's a single piece of equipment which does two jobs. First, it separates or it just plucks the whole sugarcane from the ground, and then it separates the unwanted parts and the required parts separately, and then it collects the useful parts separately and the wasted parts separately, so that it can be sent easily to the industry for further processing. So the sugarcane harvest is a single piece of agriculture machinery. It used to harvest and partially process the sugarcane. So it is developed in the 1920s. Here it is essentially a storage vessel on a truck with a mechanical extension. The machine cuts the stack at the base and strips off the leaves and then cuts the cane into segments. So this is some introduction part of this particular vehicle. Let us detailedly discuss the other salient features of this vehicle in the upcoming slides. So normally the sugarcane harvesting it needs more manpower and the operating cost is high. And actually manual process it requires more time. So in order to overcome these practical problems, this sugarcane harvester can be used. So components, so these are the main components of sugarcane harvester. So first is the topper, next crop divider, knockdown roller, fin roller, base cutter, feed roller, chopper, a primary extractor and the secondary extractor. Okay, so let us detailedly discuss each and every component. So topper, it is the first, it is the component which is present in front end of the vehicle. So it is the vehicle that cuts the top layer of the particular sugar cane. And next comes the crop divider. Here it is present over there. In addition to that, a knockdown roller also placed over there. So what it does is it just plucks the sugar cane from the ground surfaces. And a fin roller, it is placed over here where it acts as a extra pulling medium, where it just pulls the sugar cane into the conveyors. Okay, and then base cutter is present over here where it cuts the sugarcane into different pieces. And feed roller, it serves as the conveyor to passing of this particular sugar canes. And next is the chopper. Sorry, here this particular base cutter, it is the stem and the leaves, the other parts has been cut. In chopper it is cut into fine pieces, and then this particular cutted pieces is collected through this secondary extractor. Here in primary extractor, the waste particles from the sugarcane is collected and sent out through this particular primary extractor. The waste from the primary extractor is made to fall on the ground. Here the cutted sugar canes from the secondary extractor is made to fall on a separate vehicle which follows along with the sugarcane harvester for collecting these cutted sugar canes. So in this picture, you can see what the vehicle which I have told now. So here in construction part, the topper is used to cut and down, discard the non-productive tops, that layers of a particular sugar cane. And crop divider, it is provided to remove the sugar cane from the land, and roller assembly is placed to make the sugar cane into a streamlined flow in that particular conveyor. And chopper is placed at the end of the vehicle for cutting down the canes into fine pieces. And as I said earlier, through the primary extractor, the waste materials and the discarded non-productive tops is sent through it, and it is fall on the field. And the through the secondary extractor, the cutted sugarcane is passed through and is collected in the external vehicles. So the advantages of this vehicle is, first is it is easy to harvest, and the harvesting time is less, and also it reduces the manpower. And the disadvantages here is it requires proper maintenance, And improper operating can lead to life loss. Before operating the vehicle, we should ensure that if there is any living organisms like our human beings or dogs or other things present over the particular bushes, because it easily knocks down and kills the animals or human beings in that particular bushes. So in application part, it is it is full and fully used for the harvesting the sugar canes. So it does two jobs: removes the unwanted waste in sugarcane and collects the sugarcane in fine cut parts and send to the sugarcane industry for further processings. So these are some manufacturing companies. So that's all about this video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.